Video 2 My Pet's Holidays. Best regards, dear teacher and classmates. How are you doing? I hope that you can spend a few minutes to see this video. Well, now I'm going to tell about my pet's holidays in the cruiser by the Caribbean Sea. Next my marriage, my husband and me want to go on honeymoon in a cruise. So we flew from Caramanga to Cartagena to wait the cruiser. When it arrived, we boarded and started our best holidays. Our trip started in Aruba. It was a first port. We arrived in the morning and we left to know the place. We went to the beach, to the downtown, to the malls, and to the main attractions. We set sail to Curacao. In the second port, we went to know the different attractions like the cave, the buildings, the malls, the beach, and the beautiful houses of different colors. Then we set sail to Venezuela, but we didn't leave to know because the actual situation in that country is very difficult and unsafe. As we stayed in the cruiser and knew the whole ship, that night we set sail to Panama. The last port when we arrived, we went to know the Colon City, the old and new neighborhoods, the malls, and we went to the Panama Canal in the gate locks. And we could see one of the engineers' structures most amazing of the history. Then we set sail again, but that time the navigation was to come back to Colombia. That night we enjoyed it so much because it was our last night in the cruiser. Next morning we arrived to Cartagena again and we disembarked of the ship. When we went back to home, I give thanks to God to let us enjoy and living this experience so beautiful and amazing. Those days in the cruiser were my best holidays of my life. If you have the possibility of going to travel by cruise, I recommend you that don't twin trees and do it reality. It's really interesting and amazing. Thanks for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye.